Sydney is the largest city in Australia. Due to the continuous development of the economic, the city attracts more and more immigrants, and the population keeps climbing. Under this situation, more and more city residents choose to live in a co-living housing. Co-living is a sustainable housing strategy in which a group of people share space, resources, and even time. However, more sustainable housing not only makes the growth of urban population, but also bring more resources consumption. In New South Wales, household consumption reached $364 billion across 2019. The waste created by this consumption has put Sydney's landfills under huge pressure. Particularly, the amount of organic waste is 2 to 3 times of other materials. So, focusing on the organic waste in urban complex, how do we face this challenge of waste reduction? The project started with a survey of waste management in Australia. It shows that almost all experts believe that a community-based approach promotes better waste management. Therefore, the project looks at a co-living model to explore the solution to reduce organic waste within the community while raising a sustainable awareness of people. Based on the situation of co-living community, the project conceived a speculative design, which can encourage recycling by composting organic waste in the communal space. At the same time, a planning activity provides feedback to users about the result of their recycling behavior. Because the concept of co-living can promote social cohesion and increase the participation of residents in this special environment. Plus, a biophilic environment created by planting can promote users' emotional attachment to the site. So through composting and planting, the flow of organic waste in the community can form a closed loop, while raising people's understanding of sustainability. The project will work with local manufacturers, suppliers, composting agency, landlords, community hosts, and community residents. Manufacturers and suppliers work with composting agency to provide design to the landlords, who will then set the design up for residents in the community. GreenPatch was created as a small laboratory that combines composting and planting function with vermicomposting in the equipment to achieve little ecosystem. In terms of appearance, 3 parts with different functions form a cube. In the process of making prototypes, the design constantly explores more neutral designs, which can be more naturally integrated into people's living things. Considering the spatial diversity of different communities, it comes with 3 different shapes, designed to fit most of the spatial layout. It is repeatable within the space, and its regular changes and repetition add to the dynamic of the space. How does it work? When residents start dumping waste into composter bin, the worm get to work, moving back and forth between planting pot and composter bin through the holes on the walls. The waste is quickly converted into compost after they process it, and some of the nutrition are brought directly to the plant. In the process, a compost tea is produced, which is also nutrition-rich material. The compost tea flows into the storage tanks through the holes at the bottom of the upper parts. Users can collect the tea from the tap and use it to water other plants. So the structure of the equipment includes a composter bin, a planting pot, liquid storage tank, a tap, 4 wheels, and a filter screen. All parts can be easily disassembled. The entire equipment mainly uses 2 materials, clay and recycled plastic. Terracotta clay, a common planter material, provides an excellent environment for the planting, while its porousness provides oxygen to the earthworm in the pot. The recycled plastic comes from the Australian Recycle program to minimize the consumption of new resources. In addition, there is a set of stickers designed to provide users with basic composting knowledge. The process of tagging information on the equipment also brings interaction to the users. Also, since most plastic cannot be recycled due to the ink printed on the plastic coating, the use of stickers also prevents design materials from being wasted after their life cycle. With GreenPatch in the community, residents can create a biophilic living environment together. They can do planting as they need, learn and experience about composting, The design integrates a sustainable system into urban daily life and guides people to form a basic understanding of sustainable development.